Ralph Nelson Elliott noticed markets weren't random. They moved in one repeating pattern. 5 waves up, 3 waves back. Master that simple pattern and you will understand the core of Elliott Wave Theory. So now let's take a look at the most important pattern in Elliott Wave Theory, and that is the core 5-3 pattern. And what is this pattern? Well, this pattern is simply that the market advances in 5 waves and then correct in 3 waves. So we can think about this as we go 5 steps forward and then 3 steps back. And the 5 advancing waves form what we call the motive wave. And we usually label the motive wave with wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you look at this image right here, you can see that here we have an example of the motive wave. So as you can see here, the motive wave is this whole move right here. But you can see that the motive wave itself consists of 5 waves on the shorter time frame. So you can see here we have wave 1 that goes up, then wave 2 that goes down, then wave 3 that goes up, then wave 4 that goes down, and wave 5. This is how a motive wave looks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes in the case of an uptrend, up. But here, then after the motive wave, we have the correcting wave or corrective wave. And these are the 3 corrective waves that form the sort of full corrective wave that we often label with A, B, and C. So after this motive wave, we have the corrective wave. And here, in the case of an uptrend, we have a move towards the downside called A, a move that goes up here called B, and a move that goes down here called C. And here, it's very important to already start thinking about time frames, because this is so important when it comes to Elliott Wave. So if we just think about it in the broad general sense, we have the motive wave is the wave that goes up. So I mark this with green, and the corrective wave is the move that goes down. So this is the very, very simple sort of long-term time frame. But within each wave, we also have these moves. And this is where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is on the sort of shorter time frame. So we mark this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. And then we have the A, B, C. So we have A, B, C. And now guys, if you only learn this pattern right here, you already know the very basics of Elliott Wave Theory. So congratulations, you already know the basics of Elliott Wave Theory. However, it will get a little bit more complicated. And here, this pattern repeats at every time frame, all the way from, yearly charts down to 1-minute charts. Remember, markets are fractal. Alright, so now let's dive a little bit deeper into motive waves versus corrective waves. This video was just a very short clip from our full Elliott Wave trading course right here on YouTube. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.